Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ what are we gonna do? I know Armani just dropped a new foundation. Unfortunately, I know Armani just dropped a new formula of their Luminous Silk Foundation. Unfortunately, I don't have it yet, but believe me, as soon as I can get my hands on, I'll be showing you very soon what is the difference between the old formula and the new formula. Old formula is one of my favorite formulas and I use that on my clients all the time, especially my brides. But today I'm going to give homage to Giorgio Armani and going to do my full face makeup, basically this beautiful look using all Armani makeup. So I have over here Armani face, Armani eyes, Armani's mascara and all of that jazz. So I'm just going to create this beautiful makeup using all Giorgio Armani products. So if you want to see how I created this look, carry on watching this video, and if you're liking my videos, which I'm noticing you guys are, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can watch it all the time. Let's go to the video now.
Hey my loves, let's go do our full face of Giorgio Armani makeup. Okay, we are starting with Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Hydrating Primer. This is an extremely good primer if you are more on a drier side. However, even if you are oily or combination skin, you can still use it because it's very hydrating. We are starting with the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. This is the older version of the foundation and I'm using the shade 5.2. I love the Armani foundation. Now, this is the old formula. Haven't tried the new one yet, so I'm hoping they haven't messed it up or anything because the old formula is just divine, absolutely divine. I'm going to use actually the Giorgio Armani eyeshadows for contour because I don't have any product for darker shades for contour for in complexion from Armani. So I'm going to use the eyeshadows. Actually worked out fine. You just have to work really fast with these eyeshadows because of course they are eyeshadows, so they're going to dry down really fast. So, but you can still do it. It was a bit of a learning curve for me too, but I like the way it all turned out. At the end, it looked like a beautiful natural contour. I'm also going to use the concealer from Armani, and that's also Luminous Silk, and this one is in shade number 5. The number 5 concealer is a little bit lighter for me. I would prefer to go a little bit darker, but it still gave me a really nice brightening. If I wanted more of a subtle natural look, I probably will go with 5.5 or 6 even, but it still looked really nice because of the contour I use as like an eyeshadow I use as a contour. The brightening absolutely required a little bit more to be brightened. So I use that and I just blended everything. For blush, I'm using Armani liquid blush, cheek and lip tint kind of thing in number 65. Love this shade. Really pigmented product. I'll give you one tip. Just go with a very small amount. I just took way too much. That was way too much. Now I'm going to start with the eyes using liquid eyeshadow from Armani in number, this one is in number 20M. I'm using this just on the outer part of my eye just to create that beautiful dimension. You can also do this part with like a matte bronzer as well, but as I mentioned, I don't have everything of Armani complexion, so I kind of like used whatever I have, but this eyeshadow is my favorite. If I don't want to do any eye makeup but still want a little bit dimension, I usually use this. For the metallic look, for more of like to give a pop on the eye, I'm using number 68M liquid eyeshadow again. The reason the Armani eyeshadows are so popular because the way the doe foot for the eyeshadows are is so easy to create the eye look without so much of a mess. Using the Giorgio Armani mascara, this one was the one which came out last year. Absolutely love this. It gives you a really nice really nice volume. You can definitely build it up to your liking, and here is the final look. Let me know if you like this look. Leave your questions in the comments and I'll see you next time.